Hello friends, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you fix your messenger, create a group option not showing, or you are not be able to create a group on the messenger. For this, we have to open the messenger app. There you can see the pencil icon in front of the camera icon at the top right corner. You have to click on it, and on the very first you can see the option of create a group. So if someone will not be able to see this option, so it definitely means that there's a bug in the messenger, or you haven't the updated version of the messenger. For this, you have to open Play Store app and type the messenger here. There you can see I have got the option of open, but if you got the option of update here, you have to update the messenger to the latest version first. And the second thing, you have to come back and open your mobile settings and go to the app management in the Android mobile phone and go to the app settings. From here you have to open the messenger settings. There you can see the option of storage and cache. Click on it, and on the right bottom you can see the option of clear cache. Click on it. So in this way you can fix all the bugs on the messenger app and will be able to create a group on the messenger. I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any doubt, any confusion, please mention in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.